Hello everyone, this is the maths lesson for grade 6 students. Today our topic is fractions. It is the 9th lesson in your textbook. Okay. To learn about fractions, first of all we have to examine what is meant by a fraction. Imagine your mother brings a cake and you are going to cut it into equal parts. When you cut the cake into equal parts, each part is called a fraction. So, if you divide a whole thing into equal parts, each part is defined as a fraction. Then we will be examining the types of fractions. One type of fraction is proper fractions. Here, the value of the numerator is smaller than the value of the denominator. Look at the examples that I have given. One example is 1 over 3 and the other example is 5 over 8. Here, the value of the numerator is smaller than the value of the denominator. Such fractions are called proper fractions. The next type of fraction is improper fractions. In improper fractions, the value of the numerator is greater than or equal to the value of the denominator. For example, 9 over 4, 6 over 4, 6 over 5, and you can write many more fractions as examples for improper fractions. Now you might be wondering, what is this numerator and denominator? Numerator and denominator are the parts of a fraction. The number over the line representing the fraction is called the numerator, and the denominator is the number below the line representing the fraction. Now let's see how to identify the denominator of a fraction. It is the number of equal parts which the whole object is divided into. Look at the diagram given. You can see that the circle is divided into two equal parts. So here the value of the denominator is 2. So if you divide any object into equal parts, the number of equal parts the object is divided into is called the denominator of the fraction. Okay children, now look at the question. They ask to how many equal parts the given shape is divided into. You can see that it is a rectangle and it is divided into 4 equal parts. Therefore, the denominator of the fraction will be 4. Now I will give you the chance to provide the answer for the following question. You have to represent the given fractions using diagrams. You can use any shape you prefer. Okay children, now check whether your answers are correct. I hope that you all got it correct. After learning about the denominator, let's move on to the numerator. It means how many parts from the whole. Numerator is how many parts from the whole. Look at the square. It has been divided into 2 equal parts, and you can see out of 2 parts, only 1 part is shaded. Therefore, in this fraction, the numerator is 1. Okay children, look at this question. They ask how many equal parts are colored in the shape. You can clearly identify that the rectangle is divided into 4 equal parts, and out of 4, 3 parts are colored. Therefore, the numerator of this fraction is 3. I hope you all understand how to identify the numerator of a given fraction now. Now you can take 5 minutes and answer this question. You have to represent the given fractions using figures. Okay, time is up. Check your answers with my answers. It's okay to draw any shape other than the shapes that I have used. But please keep in mind that you have to divide the shape into equal parts. Okay, children. In today's session, you learnt about fractions. What is meant by a fraction? What are the types of fractions? And what are the parts of a fraction? So, now you can try to complete the exercise 9.1 on page number 115 and exercise 9.2 on page number 117 in your grade 6 textbook. Thank you for joining with us. We'll meet up again in session 2 of the fractions lesson. Goodbye.